A mixing desk is simply a way that you can sum together or add together many sound signals. The second job of a mixing desk is to process sounds in some way. That means to change them or affect them in some way. I have put up a slide of a hi-fi audio system, and it's really just there to give you an idea of summing audio signals together. Has that rendered for everybody?
Can I ask a question? Where is the amplifier situated? Is it built into the boxes? Is it a separate entity?
That's a good question, which doesn't have a very straightforward answer. It depends on the equipment you're using. Amps can either be standalone pieces of hardware. They can be built into a mixing desk, which isn't an ideal situation because you only have one amp to drive a left and a right speaker. And in theatre, very often you need to be driving far more than just two speakers. Or sometimes the amplifiers are built into the speakers. At the top of the desk, you have 4 microphone inputs. And as well as microphone inputs, you have line inputs. A microphone would plug into a microphone input, pretty much nothing but a microphone, and you would plug things that produce a line level signal, such as CD players, or electric pianos, or drum machines, or synthesizers, or MP3 players. Anything that isn't a microphone, you will plug into a line input. You have a look at our mixing desk. There's some controls on it which we should be familiar with. There is a microphone input, which has our mic leads plugged into it. We have line inputs on each of our 4 channels, but we don't have any piece of equipment producing a line level, because at the moment we don't have any CD players or mini-disc players for this show. We have 2 green pots beneath the line input, and I think they are called Auxiliary 1 and Auxiliary 2, and we'll talk about those in a little while. I know I've not mentioned auxiliaries yet. We have a cut button on each channel. We have a pan pot on each channel. We have a blue channel fader for fading each channel up and down, and we have 2 routing buttons at the bottom of each channel. Channel 4, which is my Baron. I'm going to click on it and set a level, 70%. That channel is now open and the signal is coming through, but at the moment it is not routed anywhere, therefore it's not going to go to any destination. So I'm going to route it to the left and fader up. We should be able to hear some sound. Has anyone got sound? So let's try something different. Let's try the guitar now. We'll set that a little bit quieter. Click on its fader. Set it to 40%. The fader goes up.
Very faintly.
Yeah. And there's the guitar now as well. And you can see now that channel 1 is also being represented visually on the speakers. Have people got that?
Very faint.
Right, let's get the flute doing the same thing. Bring its fader up. And route it to the left and right output. And there's the flute coming out. And you can see that that is reaching the speakers as well. To do, I'm going to do it for you now, is just route it to 1 and 2 as well. And now it's going to the front speakers.